All right, we're making landmark and friendly numbers again. Remember, one of these add-ins is 2 away from a friendly number, from a multiple of 10. We are also going to see equations where we begin with a multiple of 10 and then we're adding on to it, or we can count on to it. So this is our first equation. All right, so 40 and 4. So there's 2 ways of thinking about it. There's probably more than 2 ways, but in my class we might grab 40 and count on 4 more. So we have 40, 41, 42, 43, 44. Or I can recognize that there is a 0 in the ones place, and 0 plus 4 is 4. So 40 plus 4 is the expanded notation version of 44. And to continue on, I'm going to make it a little bit more challenging. We're going to see an equation with 3 add-ins. One of them is 2 away from a multiple of 10. Great, pause it here, think about what numbers you should add together first. Now, this might be a little bit tricky because we have a rule in our classroom. If we see doubles, we put those together. But if we can make a 10, usually that's a little bit easier for us. So instead of doing 2 plus 2, I'm going to take one of these 2, and I know that 2 plus 8 equals 10. So 38 plus 2, if I keep going up in my tens place, is 40. 40 plus 2 more, 41, 42. All right, let's get another equation. Again, thinking of how to decompose our numbers to get to that landmark number. All right, ready? 38 plus 4. Remember, you can pause the video at any time. Maybe you can explain to someone, you see the add-in 38, how much should I take away from the 4 so that I can get to a landmark number? So if we took the 4 and decomposed it into a 2, and another 2, because that double equals 4, 38 plus 2 equals 40, and then 40 plus 2 more equals 42. 2 more equations for today. Let's do an equation where both add-ins have a tens and ones place. All right, again, we want to think, what can we decompose our number into to get to the landmark number? So 38 plus 13. Right. If you need to, pause it. We already know that 2 more gets us to our friendly number, so I can begin by decomposing this into a 2. 38 and 2 equals 40. To find out that other number in our math fact family, I'm going to take 13 and I'm going to subtract 2. So I have 13, 12, 11. So I know that 2 plus 11 equals 13. So I've already added these 2 numbers together. Now I can use a little bit of mental math and decompose this in my head. 40 plus 10 equals 50, and then 50 plus 1 more would give us the sum of 51. And then just 1 more. Remember to pause it anytime that you need to pause it. 38 plus 27. All right, so again, if we're taking the 2 away from the other add-in and we know that 38 plus 2 equals 40, we can think to ourselves, well, 27 take away 2, what is going to be that other number in the math fact family? So 38 plus 2 equals 40. Now 27 minus 2 would not be efficient to count 2 onto 27. It's much faster when we have a smaller subtrahend to take it away from our minuend. So we have 27, 26, 25. And again, we can use mental math. 40 plus 20 equals 60, and then 60 with 5 more would equal 65, or you can count on, you could go 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65. All right, I hope this was helpful for you guys. Have a great day.